friend, and welcome to the final video of the basic foundation crochet stitches. We are tackling the treble crochet today, which will be super easy now that you know how to do the double crochet. Let's start with doing a slip knot and then chaining 12. If this is the first video you have seen in this channel, welcome! You can check out the first 3 other videos where we did the single, double, and half double crochets, which I am linking right in this top corner right there and down in the description box below this video. Great, now that we have our chain, we're going to do exactly what we did with the double crochet. We are going to, instead of doing 1 for the double, we're going to do double yarn over and going into the 4th chain from the top. So we're going to yarn over 1, and then we're going to yarn over 2, and then go into the 4th chain and then pull it through. There we go. So now we have 4 loops. Now we're going to pull through 2. And then we are going to have 3 loops on our hook. We're just going to do another 2, just like a double crochet. And that is our 2nd crochet. And for the treble one, we are going to yarn over and then pull through again, completing the treble crochet. So we have triple crochets on that stitch right now. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice. And then go into the very next stitch with 3 loops in your hook. There we go. Pull it through, and we have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2, and then pull through the last 2. There we go. Look how cute that looks. Let's do it again and keep going until we reach the end of the row. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Always pull through 2 no matter how many times you roll that yarn over your hook before you start the crochet. All right, let's keep doing it until we reach the end of the row, and I'll see you there. And we've reached the end of the row, and we're going to do our final stitch here. All right, we are going to take a look at this, and it feels very loose, but it is a really, really nice stitch, and it looks really nice, especially if you keep going and adding rows to it. It looks really nice. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video where we get to do more fun stuff while actually putting all of these stitches together to create something that is going to be useful. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and I hope you will join me there. We have some exciting stuff coming in the future. So thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, that would help me out a lot. So I would really appreciate it if you could, and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!